So why am I different? People come to me, they have been through all the medical doctors, all the specialists. They ask me, they couldn't fix me. What makes you different? How can you help me? How are you different? What makes me believe that you can help me? Okay, you have just gone through all that. Okay, there are no medical doctor in the world is going to do all that for you. It's going to check all that for you, but I will. Okay, now what I do differently is that I look at the diet, the food. Like I said, the diet. If you have the right diet, is 30% of your healing. Okay, so I will find specific diet that you can or cannot eat. Once your body has a right diet, your body heals. Okay, so I will tell you to do juicing. Juice is not just fruits. No, we don't fruit juices. We do vegetable juice. Vegetable juice is highly nutrient. And of course, I gotta tell you to buy the right food. You can't just put whatever you want in the juicer. You cannot. Okay, has to be a selected amount of food in the juicer to give you that boost of energy that your body needs. Okay, I use a lot of food supplements. Why? Because nowadays the food has no nutrient, so we gotta give you a boost of food supplement. These supplements are made from real food. They dry up the food, and they grind the powder and make it into tablets, and you swallow them. And all these are organic food. And when you start eating these food supplements, your body gets nutrient. Your body gets enzyme. Your body gets the antioxidant. The body will recover. The immune system is going to come up. Okay, that's why we gotta use this one. It's very, very important, especially the first few months. Okay, so after the first few months, you'll get better. Everything's healed, no pain, and you don't have to continue this. You don't. If you want to, you can. It's easier. But if you don't want to continue with the supplements, I will tell you exactly what food you should and should not eat, and just continue with the diet. You're gonna live a pain-free life all the way to the end. Okay, homeopathic and herbs, we do that a lot to take away inflammation, toxicity, bacterial, viral, fungal, parasite infections. There's a lot of different usage for herbs. Now, herbs are very strong and they're very, very effective, and you'll see incredibly fast result with the herbs. If you do the right herbs, the speed of the healing will not be less than the medication. It will be just as fast, just as effective if you find out the right herbs for the body. Okay, and most of all, no side effect. No side effect. Okay, now if you have severe pain with the joint, we use this one, hot laser, to heal the joint pain. We also use a low-level cold laser to heal the joint pain as well too. Okay, laser is an incredible invention where it goes into a finger and start healing the joint. If you have osteoarthritis, if you have wear and tear, the laser is going to heal it fast. Okay, if you have inflammation, swollen, the laser is going to reduce it, drain away the inflammation. It's really, really incredible machine. Rife machine, we use that to take away the inflammation, increase circulation. It depends on the frequency that your body needs. If your body have infection in regards to fungal, we find out the right frequency to take away the fungal infection. Okay, Rife has so many different frequencies that we can use to help with so many different conditions. That's why we use a lot of Rife here. Okay, now detox. This special machine, Hifamet, is used to take away the toxin in your finger, in your body, and drain it out to your lymphatic system. So your body can pee the toxicity out, your body can poop the toxicity out. Okay. Electromagnetic field, we talk about the bad energy, right? The cell phone tower, the TV, the radiations, it's all around us. One of the only way that to recharge your body is to use PEMF, electromagnetic field therapy. You put this on the body is like a battery. The body absorbs whatever it comes, right? Bad energy or good energy. So once we give it a good energy to the body absorbs it, you will start detoxing the bad energy away from the body. Okay, you get more energy, your cells get energized, cells start to function. Your white blood cell, when it's energized, it starts to, attacking the right infection. It will not attack your joint. Okay, so this is very, very important and is very effective in fighting against joint pain. Hakumen is another new invention that's specially made to heal joint pain. Okay, finger joint, foot joint, whatever joint. And if this joint is particularly affected by fluid issue, by issue with the nerve issue, this is an absolute godsend because people get amazing results. Usually within a few visits, people feel the relief. Amazing. Okay. Another machine is called Aqua Roll. If you put your foot in there, your head in there, and this machine just massages and for some reason just relieve the pain for you. Amazing machine as well too. Okay. Now this rebuilder, if you have issue with the foot, with the hand, has a lot of numbness, tingling, joint pain, muscle pain, then we use this rebuilder machine to take away all the peripheral. We call it peripheral nerve issue, nerve affected pain. If there is no nerve pain, if your finger pain is not caused by nerve, this is useless. Okay? So of course we give the right therapy. It depends on the condition, depends on the layer of issue that you have. We give the right therapy. Now this is a DRX 9000. If you issue, let's say if your foot pain, okay, your toe pain is a result of a herniated disc, which the pain shoots from the lower back all the way down to your toe, the big toe. Then we gotta fix your back. If your thumb pain is caused by the neck C5, C6, then we gotta use this machine to heal the disc. Once the disc is pushed in, the nerve is no longer compressed. When nerve is not compressed, your finger gets better, your toe gets better. Okay, that's called referral pain, that's called nerve pain. Okay, but we gotta do a thorough check to see whether you have this condition or not. If you do, you gotta get on the machine and start and get the treatment. Okay, another great piece of equipment, wonderful, wonderful equipment. Okay, now ultrasound, we use this machine to heal any kind of muscle, ligament, tendon related issue, because if you have a lot of joint pain, the muscle, the ligament, the tendon, the collagen that surround the area is going to be so spasm, so tight. The ultrasound machine, the stimulation machine is going to help to reduce the pain, increase circulation. Okay. Now there's different mode, in differential, Russian, high volt, pre-mod. Different modes is used to treat different conditions. Okay, so we would choose the right mode to help you with the conditions. Okay. Now this is called rapid release. What it does is, let's say if you use your thumb too much, if you pick up a baby too much, if you use mouse too much, if you constantly was moving boxes, same kind of movement all the time, and you have severe pain in the thumb or in the wrist, and you have a lot of adhesion building up in the joint area, this machine is especially made to take away the adhesion, take away the spasm real fast and very, very effective. Okay, so especially used for spasm, muscle spasm, tendon spasm, ligament spasm, and also adhesion. Very effective as well too. Okay. Now, ArthroStem, we use this one to do adjustment, spinal adjustment, head adjustment. Adjustment means that we're doing a spine correction. When spine is in the right correction, when the spine is in the right alignment, we mentioned the nerve goes out to your organs. The nerve goes out to your hands and feet. The nerve goes out to your muscle. It innervates the body, so the body functions normally. Okay, but it starts with the spine. Spine has to be aligned properly. Okay, neurofeedback, why? Because if your finger is affected by the brain, if there are non-connection, there are issue with the connection issue, the brain cannot send the message down to the finger joint. The brain cannot send message down to the toe, causes pain. Then we gotta use neurofeedback to fix the brain. Okay, the neurofeedback will clear the neurotransmitter issue, will clear the brainwave issue. Okay, and the computer will tell us exactly where we should put the placement. And we have a specialized scanning machine to help you determine what's going on with your brain. Okay, stress reduction technique. Like we talk about, stress causes a lot of different pain, right? Stress, trauma, your work, your life, your children, your family, your money issue, the stresses with your health. It's all getting to you, and you're feeling trapped. You don't know where to go. You don't know who to help. You don't know who's going to help you. You can't trust anybody. Okay, and you don't know who to trust, and all this stress adding up is getting more and more pain, more vicious cycle. All right, and this is what we do. We have a stress reduction technique. We have several techniques to help you reduce the stresses, or to help you find out and pinpoint. Let's say the stress level is coming from your mother. The stress level is coming from your money issue. The stress level is coming from, when you were a child. Okay, abuse. Once we find out the stress, we take out the stress, your body gets better. Body heals miraculously when the stress goes away. Okay? Now, if you have an issue with the meridian system, we have a special machine that helps you stimulate the acupuncture point. So the body, yin-yang is balanced. The meridian is balanced. The body heals along together with other therapies. Oxygen therapy is to just kind of give it an overall general health to make sure your body heals faster and better, because our cell needs oxygen to heal, right? Okay. Now you have seen all that. I'm sure your confidence in me has increased more. Okay. If you are interested in coming to me, we offer a free consultation. Now, free consultation, provided that you watch all of this. If you don't watch any of these and you come to me, we'll charge you $120 for consultation. We'll charge you. But if you watch it, if you understand what's going on here, if you know exactly what we offer here, our consultation will be free to you. You don't have to pay anything at all. Okay? So let me explain how we do the consultation. Before that. I want you to first of all imagine, before you even come to me, before you even see anybody, before you get any kind of treatment, imagine that you are pain-free. Because it's possible. Because remember at the beginning I told you have hope. Once you have the hope, you'll find out the way. Once you find out the way, and you know your body is going to get better. Once you know in your brain that you're going to get better, you are going to achieve that goal. Okay, so I want you to do that with me right now. Imagine you wake up in the morning and there's no pain. The finger is moving so nicely. Your toe is moving around nicely. And you move around your shoulders and your knees. There's no pain, absolutely no pain, no restriction. Imagine that. Imagine you get up in the morning and cook for your family, cook a breakfast for yourself, and you're cutting food, and there's no pain. And you don't have to struggle with the pain, bring stuff coming out of your fridge. You don't have to struggle with, cleaning up the tables because there's no pain. Imagine going out with your family, your kids. Imagine holding the babies. Imagine enjoying the life, the pain-free life, and go out, enjoy the sun, enjoy the yard. Imagine you can drive around the neighborhood, going around to the market, going around to different places to visit. And your family is happy and you're happy because you have no pain, you have no joint pain. And you can drive because your finger, your foot no longer stiff. You can drive anywhere you want, like when you're 20 and 30s. Imagine going to a vacation spot and you're laying there enjoying the sun and you have no pain in the finger, no pain in the joints, no pain in the foot. And you can walk and run anywhere you want. Okay. Imagine you can play tennis, you can jog, you can climb the mountains, you can hiking, you can go playing golf, all pain-free. Okay. Would you want that? If you want that, give us a call. Come for the consultation. Okay. And the consultation goes like this. First, you came in, we give you a full history. We take the full history. We do some exam. Okay, and then if you need any kind of prescription for blood tests, for MRIs, for bone scan, whatever it is, or you need to do some blood testing, the one drop of blood, or need to do some brain testing, brain scan, we'll let you know. Okay, once you did that, okay, you take the prescription, you go home, you go get the x-ray done, you get an MRI done. After a few days, you come back with all the reports, with your medication reports, with the MRI report, blood report, brain report, whatever report you have from other doctors. Bring them in. I'll go through all that with you. I'll discuss all that with you. I'll discuss all the possible layer that may have causes your joint pain. And then I will discuss the option for care. How long you need to do, how much it's going to cost, I'll discuss all that with you. When you come in for this free consultation, I want you to bring your significant others with you. Your spouses, your another partner, whatever it is, bring over, because they need to know your condition. If they care for you enough, they will come. If they're working, have them stop working for that day and come with you.